I recently got a bulletin board, which is very nice, but I need a way to hold these thumbtacks because the box is just sitting around and I like to be organized, so let's design one. I started on paper. This makes the 3D design process much faster because I know my measurements and the details of how the shape will form. Graph paper is great. From there, we go to Fusion 360. A simple 2D sketch gets extruded and hollowed out to create the main body. Then we add the side handles that will hold the mount in place. I really enjoy using this program, especially because of the sketch system. Here's a picture of the mount being printed. Alright, the 3D print is finished, and here is the finished product. We can just mount it up real quick. And there we go, it's mounted up on the board, as you can see, nice and centered. And now it's in use. Now I can have something to hold my thumbtacks. This video serves as a purpose of inspiration. 3D printers are becoming more and more common. My job has one, my school has one, my library has one. It's a real convenience to be able to think of an idea and have it in just a day or two. I know a lot of people out there will leave the thumbtack package sitting around or make a crappy cardboard version, but I hope I can convince you to watch some 3D modeling tutorials and learn. It's worth it, at least in my case. Thank you for watching.